Presiden barangba ka United Democratic Party lani ka UDP uba medba lingdo ula Kyntait banya Synrop lang berka parti Kongres daka baong baka parti ka namya Synrop lang berka Kongres namar baka day ka National Party. Uba medba habakran bat kilat pathai khubor uloong kumba ka long himenta ka jingya Synrop lang kan long tang hapadang ki parti riulum ombat ki parti national namar baki national party ki don laki jong ki agenda bat ki parti riulum ki don laki jong ki agenda. Uba medba uloong banakaliang ka parti kan tresitom ban penklanya ka parti watla kani ka long ka ba jenjar namar kani ka khlam Henry kumbalong mentahi ka parti kan tresitom bat shen ka parti kan sapendapno ya ka jingsna ya ka office trekam ka jongka. Habaya day baka jing penklanya ka parti hari lom garo nakaliang presiden ka seng uloong baka jingsdang man penyak hun ni ki kertong haka election MDC bat haka MLA election siteng samoy ka baladem ngiyo i badon ka jing priang jong ki paitba ya ka parti UDP hagaro hills ru bat kane kala penyok mensim ya ka parti bakandang ya peteng banbu kertong hari lom garo nakabenta ka general election house nam arhajar arpaulai. Ula benrap ru baka jingsha keno ya ka parti UDP baka day ka parti tang nakabenta ka khasi jaintia kadai tang ka jingilam bakla jong ki kattu kat nengot ki breu hagaro namar bakam day ka parti tang jong ka khasi jaintia henry ka day ka parti jong ka jella hi borok ka wei. Shushu uloong ru bahaki por baladem ka parti UDP ka judai ka parti ka baju Synrop lang bat ki wei ki parti namar bakam juyo ya ka number ka babiang ha ka jella banwan ha ka bor henry haba page menta la lais nem na ka jingyo job haki election siteng samoy ka don ka jingkermen ka bakraw baka parti kan la banle bha haus nam arhajar arpulai bat kan yo ban lam khamat ya ka sarkar ha ka jella.
No. The People Alliance will be with the regional parties as of now. As of now, they will go with the regional parties because we have the different agendas. National parties they have their own agenda, and then we have our own agenda. So, as of now, we are open for any discussion. But as I've said, we are yet to sit down, especially with HSPTP, which whom we had. The pre-poll alliance for the 2018, and again we'll sit down and then we'll discuss about this matter. Strategy means what we will try to strengthen our party. That's what we are trying to do now, and but all this third wave again, so it's really disturbing. So we can go really on the field to meet the people and all. But however, we are going ahead. So first target now is to ensure that we completed the construction of our party office. Maybe in a couple of weeks, we should be able to do it. Maybe in a month time or so. So it's more or less now it's in the stage of completion of the entire construction. Well, I don't know how do you them in the past as far as UDP is concerned, but well, we could not, secure good number of seats in the state. We always, could get around 10 seats, 8 seats, and then 6 seats. But again, if you look at the last 2 years, those last 2 or 3 years now, we have been able to gain in some other constituencies. Recently about the Moplang by-elections, and then the by-elections in Ranikor also, which shows that people have again reposing their faith in and confident in the party UDP. So we are very confident that this time 23 people will definitely extend all the support to the party. See, I think for some years, people of Garo Hills have been misinformed about UDP, and but when we started with the MDC election last year, we could see that from the vote banks that we used to have, it has increased, tremendously, and which means now the presence of the party is there, and at the same time the vote share also has gone up, and we could feel that we have to be there in Gawels also in the next general election. And at the same time, we had the by-elections at Rajabala, and we could secure that 7,000 plus votes in that constituency, which again shows that people have started having that confidence with the party. So we will continue with that in the government sector.